And here and today, I have received a package. See that's in the mail from eBay 2 days ago, which is Monday. It's called which is it's my floppy disk drive with 3-in-1 multi-card reader combo. So I already opened it with scissors, which is right there. So let me put over. You don't see everything. Oh. Whoa, look at this. Oh, looks very good. See, there's US flop. FTD means a floppy disk drive. Oh my God, it's all blurry. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, there we go. See, there's floppy disk D, USB 2.0, memory stick, SDHC, SD card, compact flash media card, SM media card. I don't know what's the type of card is, and it also goes to USB 2.0 board, and there's the floppy disk outlet thing, and yeah, so I might test it. So I'm gonna be using this. It's gonna be on this computer. So hold on, I gotta disconnect my other floppy disk drive. Oh my God. I'm going to be removing this carport. I also got a new motherboard in the mail today, which is my one, so I'll do that next if I have time. It's a thing. So I also ordered a Sonic motherboard. It's rock, which is but it's not, it's a modern one. Sorry, it's my mom using the beater. There's the Sony one. I'll just put it to the side right here. And so I'm going to be putting this computer over there. So and guys, the light's out. So see, there's the computer right here. You guys can't see it. So no, So yeah. And you see, there's my MSI motherboard. I'm gonna get rid of that. So then. Okay, it's in there. So yeah. But so yeah. So there you go. So yeah, so I gotta connect it. Hold on, let me get my iPod Touch situation. There it is. Guys, sorry, it's just my parents talking up there, so I apologize for that. Hold on, I got. It's on. Yeah, so yes. So I'll be right back after this might be raw, so I'll be right back after I do a clean install of Windows 95. Alright, now I'm back here, and sorry for the long for taking so long because I had to go to bed and I had certain exercise. So once again, so I need to put the chipset disc. This is the chipset disc. The gold job. First, I need to put the driver's disc in. And first, I'm going to go and hit Explore. RLUSB. So you hit options, view, show all files. First you have to unhide the driver's file. Sorry, that's my notifications. Just for that. See? And files. And now you need the USB supplemental. You need to have this. Before you install supplemental, make sure you remove unknown drivers. First, remove these drivers. It's the only way you can get USB drives to work. Also can be used for a chipset. Then first hit that USB supplement tool. You need to have this. And you should see checking file allocation. You'd scan disk first. Checking allocation tables. And it should install first in the hit OK. Completing update files. Hit cancel. You see hit cancel. You'll need USB serial bus. Controller. RLUSB. First need it. First hit final. Hit finish. Why is this too much? Those notifications. Sorry, it was someone call. I'll be right back after I call my mom. All right, now I'm back here again. So first, let's test an SD card. Ooh. Yeah. Let me try USB. Oh, there must has to be a way you can get it to work. Yep. I'll be right back after I find a way to fix this. Alright, now back in. Sorry, I try everything that the flashcards wouldn't work, so maybe it's kind of broken. So I think I would try doing on Windows XP, Windows 2000. Think about it. Yes, so anyways, that's it for this video. Unboxing the video about my my floppy disk drive with all-in-one card reader. So yeah, so remember to rate, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and bye.